Hey coders, welcome to Coderest. Okay, welcome coders. In this video we are going to learn about PHP conditional statements. So there are four kind of conditional statements in PHP. First is if statement. So let's see how it works. Um, this is here write if statement. I'll put if, then I put bracket, and in between this bracket we have to write the condition. So I'm going to write if $a is equal to 1, then echo I am number 1. In if statement, in between this bracket, if you want to compare whether the given value is 1 or not, you need to put double equal sign to check whether the past value is equal or not. So here in this example we have put $a double equal to 1. So let's check the output. It should print I am number 1 because we passed 1. So here it is. Okay, so it didn't print anything. So let's check why. We have put here if a is equal to 1, but right now in this example we haven't assigned the value to a. We have just checking whether the a has value 1 or not. So let's pass the value to variable a. I'm going to write a is equal to 1. So now check the output. It should print I am number 1. Yeah, here it is the output. Basically we have passed 1 as a value to the variable way a, and then we are checking whether the a has the value 1 or not, and then as per that we are executing the further code. So let's change the value of a and try. So 2 is the next value assigned to variable a, and the condition will be same, that is a is equal to 1, then print I am number 1. It should not print I am number 1 because we have changed the value of a, that is 2, and we are checking if the value is 1, then only print the I am number 1 statement. So right, so no output printed here because as per condition it has to print the statement only when the value of a is 1, but in this here we have changed the value of a to 2, and because of that it didn't execute the echo statement. Now there is a if else statement in PHP to execute the default condition of the if statement. So this is the first one. We are checking whether the a has value 1 or not, then as per that we are executing this echo statement I am number 1. So just put else, and then you can write echo I am default. So basically how it will work, we have assigned 2 value to variable a, and in first condition we are checking whether a is equal to 1 or not. If it's 1, we are going to echo I am number 1, and the second, by default condition, in else we are going to print I am default. Now the value is 2, and then it should not print I am number 1 because the value variable a has value 2, and we are checking it should have value of 1, and then only print I am number 1. Then it should print I am default. So let's check the output. Here it is, the output I am default. That means it executed correctly. First it had checked whether the variable a has value 1 or not. It's not because we have assigned 2 as a value to a, so that's why it executed the else condition, which was the default one. So this is the if else statement in PHP, conditional statement in PHP. Third one is if else if. So this will be the same here. After if statement, after checking the first condition, if you want to check that another condition, you write else if, then put your condition here. I'm going to write a is equal to 2, then print echo I am number 2, and else will be here as a default. Then I'm going to change the value of a to 3. Now a has value 3. First it will check whether the value of a is 1 or not. It is not, so it skip this step and move to the next condition, which has a should be 2. Then it should print I am number 2, but the value of a is 3. Then it should again print I am default. So let's check the output. It is still, the output is I am default. That means it executed perfectly. I'm going to change the value of a to 2 to check whether it should print I am number 2 or not. Here it is, the output. It has printed I am number 2. So basically what happened here is, first it has checked whether the a has value of 1 or not. So basically a has value of 2. Then it moved to the next condition, that is a should be 2 and a is 2. So that's why it executed the second statement, that is I am number 2. So these are the if statements, various kind of if statements we have learned here.